Hello and welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Scope section. This is Review Scope. In this lesson, you've learned about scope and how it impacts the accessibility of different variables. Let's review the following terms. Scope is the idea in programming that some variables are accessible or inaccessible from other parts of the program. Blocks are statements that exist within curly braces. Global scope refers to the context within which variables are accessible to every part of the program. Global variables are variables that exist within global scope. Block scope refers to the context within which variables are accessible only within the block they are defined. Local variables are variables that exist within block scope. Global namespace is the space in our code that contains globally scoped information. Scope pollution is when too many variables exist in a namespace or variable names are reused. As you continue your coding journey, remember to use best practices when declaring your variables. Scoping your variables tightly will ensure that your code has clean, organized, and modular logic. Practice the concepts you've learned in the code editor. If you guys are understanding scope, then I will see you in the next lesson.